I mean, I just don't. It's pretty close, Orlando and Tampa. You know, people could have made the commute maybe if they had known about it.
Okay. Yeah. I would advise your candidate, if you're calling on his behalf, to actually do something in Orlando, and then he'll get coverage.
All right. Thank you.
Have a good one.
What a dick. Hey.
Wow.
That guy was such an asshole and totally a Mitt Romney, Paul Ryan.
Wow.
I wanted to say, who's Paul Ryan?
And not just that, but Ron Paul and Gary Johnson were in a rally in Tampa, and Orlando is only about a 45 to an hour drive. You know, they could have made that commute if they had even told people that it was going on. But they keep it a secret, and it's disgusting.
I'm actually pretty sure Gary Johnson was here in Orlando, but I never heard about it until the other day.
Yeah, and I was going to say that, but I didn't have, facts to back it up. So
well, that's what he was trying to do. He's trying to make you look like an asshole and avoid the question, like, so what if he's not here? It's freaking national news. Hello.
Exactly.
That is exactly who Mitt Romney and Paul Ryan are. Cut you off, try to make you look like an asshole.
Yep.
And feel stupid and just avoid the questions.
Disgusting. It won't stop me though. I'm gonna keep calling.
You should have said, when's the last time you covered him? Answer question with the question, I guess, since that's what they want to do.
That was totally surprising, just because his physical self wasn't in Orlando, so that means you don't get to know about him? What does that mean?
That guy was a total, you know what. Okay, yeah. I'm going to stop this video, and this is actually part 2 of the first. I had to stop it in the middle because I can't do it if it goes over 4 minutes from my phone. So, we'll be back. Bye-bye.